Hello, in this video I want to show you 5 useful Google Assistant commands on OPPO A2. And to do this, let's start with the first one. It will be on how to translate any other language, and your phone will also speak out loudly this translation, and it goes like this. Hey Google, translate to Polish, I ate the burger.
In Polish, that's Zjadłem burgera.
Moving on to next one will be how to call anyone from your contact list. You can ask Google for basically anyone in your contact list as it indicates. So let's try it out. Hey Google, call my mom.
Alright.
And replace mom with somebody else from your contacts list. Then I will show you how to find your phone if you lost it somewhere in your room or in your house. You can ask with the phrase "where are you?" or to play any song. That way your phone will make a sound and it should be easy to find. Hey Google, where are you?
I'm here.
Then next one will be on how to count calories in your food. Hey Google, count calories in a burger.
Here is information from Fat Secret.
Then I will show you how to send messages to anyone from your contacts. Hey Google, send message to my mom, I ate the burger.
Okay. What's your mother's name?
And replace mom with somebody else from your contacts list. You can also say what should be included in that message. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.